Hello and what's up, YouTube? This is your Metro Detroit rail fanner again. Back again with another train video in Plymouth, Michigan. So I had just, a minutes ago, I had just came out of the downtown looking at those trees in Kellogg Park that I was seeing. And then I wanted to check and see. Well, it was red at first, but then like a couple minutes later, the light turned green, and and I wanted to film this train for you guys. Probably past dark weather. It's not maybe to approach Farmer any second. We should get this spot. Okay. Oh, okay. I think this, yeah. I think this is the right angle. Okay. Let's move over. Well, let's go to this angle. Yeah. All right, that's better. Probably I'm thinking of that blue car was another rail fanner, but maybe it was a certain belief. And the train should be coming shortly. About to approach Farmer. And here is the train. Farmer signals are going off. And here, you can, I think it's stack containers. Here it is. Double stack. Yeah, see what train it is in Michigan. Okay, all right, everyone. Here we go at Main Street. Main Street signals going off. All right. See this train. Really, very, very nice. And here is the train, a CSX ES44AC probably. Here it is. Oh, that horn. That is one loud horn. Let's head on to the next part. About to head towards Ann Arbor Trail. Next intersection. Some person was just walking by me. I am glad that I got to see this train because I haven't got can't remember if this month was a month I had seen a double stack container train. I'd seen this month. But pretty soon I'll be making on New Year's Eve, I'll be making a New Year's vlog countdown by Daisy Square. All right, heading towards this part. here we are. And it's mom's a beater. Oh, look, it says nope. I think that's silly. Oh, looks like it's entirely black. Train's black and everything. Not really. Let's take a closer look at the entire black game. This is probably much what it could look like if a train blocks all 7 intersections in Plymouth. 7 railroad intersections in Plymouth. Like so many people complaining about if trains would stop here in Plymouth. Like some people could not get past. Like so many people were in so much alert. And you can see this. Train innocent. Another entire black. Like you're looking at Daisy Square and you're seeing in that trail, and you're like, oh, well, wow, Pacer, well, sorry about, oh, it's a little mix up. This dude's like, oh, hell no, I'm out of here. I'm not going on Main to wait for this train to go by, is what people are like, avoiding getting stuck, because I know some people want to get back home or want to go somewhere. Oh my God, that is a long train. I mean, what is this strange looking stick? What? go a little fast. I think I see the end point. Yep. Excellent train of sorcery of Zetas. All right. Hurry up the line of power. Well, if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And I'll see you guys later in the next video. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe.